Welcome back to our channel where we help you live a more balanced and fulfilling life. In today's video, we'll be discussing self-care for busy people. We understand that it can be challenging to prioritize your well-being when you have a busy schedule, but it's crucial to take care of yourself to avoid burnout and improve your overall quality of life. By the end of this video, you'll have simple and effective strategies to incorporate self-care into your busy lifestyle. The first step in practicing self-care as a busy person is to recognize that self-care isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. You need to prioritize your well-being just as you would with work or any other important commitment. One effective strategy for self-care is to establish boundaries. This means learning to say no to commitments that don't align with your priorities, delegating tasks when possible, and setting aside time for self-care activities. Another strategy for self-care is to find activities that you genuinely enjoy and that help you relax. This can be anything from reading a book, taking a bubble bath, or practicing yoga. Whatever activity brings you joy and helps you unwind, make sure to include it in your self-care routine. Self-care also involves taking care of your physical health. This means getting enough sleep, eating a balanced diet, and exercising regularly. Incorporating physical activity into your busy schedule can help you boost your energy levels and improve your overall well-being. In addition to physical health, it's essential to take care of your mental health. This means taking breaks when needed, practicing mindfulness, and seeking support when necessary. Prioritizing your mental health can help you manage stress and avoid burnout. Another strategy for self-care is to take advantage of breaks throughout the day. This means taking a short walk during your lunch break, practicing deep breathing exercises during a work break, or stretching in between tasks. These small moments of self-care can make a significant impact on your overall well-being. One common obstacle to self-care is feeling guilty about taking time for yourself. It's essential to remind yourself that taking care of yourself is not selfish, it's necessary for your overall well-being and the well-being of those around you. Another effective strategy for self-care is to establish a morning routine. This can include activities like meditation, journaling, or stretching. Starting your day with a routine that prioritizes your well-being can help you set a positive tone for the rest of the day. Self-care also involves setting realistic expectations for yourself. This means recognizing that you can't do everything, and it's okay to ask for help when needed. Prioritizing your well-being may require adjusting your expectations and accepting that some tasks can wait. In addition to finding time for self-care activities, it's also essential to create a self-care mindset. This means prioritizing your well-being in your thoughts and actions and making intentional choices that support your overall well-being. Another strategy for self-care is to incorporate mindfulness into your daily routine. This means paying attention to your thoughts, emotions, and physical sensations in the present moment. Practicing mindfulness can help you manage stress and improve your overall well-being. Self-care can also involve disconnecting from technology and social media. This means setting boundaries around your screen time and taking breaks from technology when possible. Disconnecting can help you recharge and prioritize your well-being. Another strategy for self-care is to find a support system. This can be a friend, family member, or a therapist. Having someone to talk to can help you manage stress and feel supported during challenging times. Remember that self-care is not a one-size-fits-all solution. It's important to experiment with different strategies and find what works best for you. Don't be afraid to try new activities or adjust your self-care routine as needed. In conclusion, self-care is essential for busy people to avoid burnout and improve overall well-being. By prioritizing self-care and incorporating simple and effective strategies into your daily routine, you can live a more balanced and fulfilling life. We hope this video has provided you with the inspiration and tools you need to make self-care a priority in your life. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more content on living a healthy and balanced life. And as always, click the bell to be notified of our latest videos. Thank you for watching.